$3,350 on the 5th floor of this pre-war building with a really nice lobby. Gets you a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath with laundry and storage. Plus, the finishes are pretty modern. The kitchen has a dishwasher, nice glossy cabinets up top, this massive closet right near the kitchen. Right when you walk in, you have this coat closet and the full bath and half bath. Now, I will say the fact that the bathrooms are on the opposite end of the apartment from the bedrooms is a little frustrating. But that said, you don't just get laundry here, you get a laundry room. 3 very decent sized bedrooms. They all fit queen. This one even fits a king size bed. Exposed brick closet in each bedroom. And really a good amount of sunlight, especially in the bedrooms.